Ray actually went to prison for tax evasion. No one.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up about taxes, you fucking cunts! Shut the fuck up! You guys aren't funny, you fucking cocksuckers!
Answer my fucking question, you fucking Howard. Answer it, Howard.
Oh, fuck my ass, I'm dead. Alright! Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! There it is! There it is! I think I might have to turn this shit off. Okay! Why the fuck is sniping in this game? I'm out! I'm not playing again after this. Hell no. Hell no.